Hi kids, welcome to my channel. My name's Tegan. Today we're making a volcano on my science lab. This is what you need: baking soda, goggles, a funnel, a cup, 3 measuring cups, and color dye, dish soap, and vinegar. Step 1, you pour in the baking soda. Step 2, you pour in the dish soap. So step 3, you pour in the vinegar with the color dye, whichever color you want. Let's get started to make this volcano. Let's go. First, the baking soda. Next, the dish soap. So this is it. And then next, the vinegar with the colored dye. Then you made one. Then it just overflows all over. And there's your volcano. And I hope you like it. Which I used blue. You use whatever color you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe just right here. Do the thumbs up and click the bell right here. Bye. I'll miss ya.